Hi, I'm Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the third question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 3 reads, if x over 8 equals 5, what is the value of 8 over x? So notice it's not asking you for x, it's asking for 8 over x. So how I recommend you solve this type of a question is to solve for 8 over x right away without ever solving for x. I analyzed the test when it was first released, and out of everything that all the tests the College Boards released when the Digital SAT was first released, there were 25 of this type of question, and on 20 of them, you could solve for what it was asking for without ever solving for x. What do I mean here? So if x over 8 equals 5, which is the same as 5 over 1, I could just flip both sides and get 8 over x equals 1 over 5. And that's your answer. Mark it and move on. I know that most students, what they'll do is here they'll multiply both sides by 8, and then they get x equals 40. But then what they might forget to do, they might just bubble in 40 and move on. They've got to plug it back in over here. Now it's 8 over 40, and it will reduce to 1 over 5. So remember, whenever it asks not for x, but for something like x plus y, or 2x, or in this case, 8 over x, try to solve for that thing without ever solving for x. Usually it's quicker and easier, and you're less likely to make a mistake. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with, I have a whole drill on this. It's called Don't Solve for X, this type of question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video. If you go to YouTube, go to Ivy Masters Learning Center on the playlists, click on the playlist, and then you're going to go down. The shorter videos are going to be just below these longer videos. And have a great day.